So this is just going to be a quick fix video for an error code 10 in Adobe Premiere CC 2019. You see when you go to export your media, if you've tried to replace a file that you've previously saved, um, when you hit export, it'll come up with this error saying error computing or compiling movie. You don't have permission to create or delete the output file. Export unable to delete existing file, and then it gives you your error code. And the reason this pops up is because you already have an instance of that file that's trying to be replaced playing somewhere else. So in this case, I've got it running in VLC. So all you have to do is shut down that instance. If you're still having that problem, go to your task manager and in your processes look for anything that could be running that file, and that should fix it for you.